Let's talk about how to position your content in an AR experience. Every object you place needs an anchor. This tells the system where and how to track that object in the real world. What are anchors? With your assets ready in the library, it's time to learn how to position them in your AR experience. Every virtual object needs to know where it belongs in the real world. That's what anchors do. They're like invisible pins that attach your digital content to specific places, surfaces, or objects. Think of an anchor as a smart attachment point that not only marks where something should appear, but keeps it accurately and stable positioned as you move around, selling the illusion that your digital content actually belongs in that space. Some anchors, like face and image tracking, continuously update to maintain precise alignment. Others, like position anchors, stay fixed in place once set. Available anchor types are the following. Position anchor. A position anchor places content at a fixed point in 3D space relative to where tracking began. Perfect for content you want to stay in one spot, like virtual furniture or stationary decorations. Horizontal and vertical plane anchors. These automatically detect and attach to surfaces in the real world, like floors, tables, or walls. The system continuously updates as new surfaces are discovered, great for grounding objects naturally in the environment. Geo-coordinate anchor, available only in geo-tracking experiences. The anchor uses GPS coordinates to place content at specific real-world locations. You can either enter coordinates manually or use the Pick Coordinate button to set them interactively. Scene object anchor. The scene object anchor attaches one object to another object in your scene. This creates a parent-child relationship where the anchored object follows its parent. This can be useful for creating complex, multi-part objects, for example, a comet followed by particles. Image anchor. The image anchor detects and tracks specific images you've uploaded to your library. When the system recognizes the image, your content appears. This is perfect for triggering experiences from posters, business cards, or other printed materials. Face anchor, available only in face tracking experiences, attaches content to detected faces, following facial movements and expressions in real time. Hand anchor. The hand anchor is available only for experiences on Vision Pro. It tracks hand positions and gestures, allowing content to follow or respond to hand movements. Camera anchor. The camera anchor places content relative to the device's camera position. It will stay attached to the moving camera. Current point of view anchor. The current point of view anchor provides a reference point for the user's current view direction. This can be used for spawning objects to appear right in front of the user. They remain in position relative to the scene and do not move with the camera. Here are some more key points to remember. The anchor availability depends on your experience context, for example, world tracking, geo-tracking, and so on. You can change anchor types later as long as they're supported by your context. Position anchors as precisely as possible near your intended content location for best tracking. Each anchor type has its own configuration options and behaviors, which you can access in the right sidebar. Performance varies. Some anchors, like face and hand, update every frame and need more processing power.